I am Gabriele Calabrese from Turislucca, the local association of tourist guides. I would like to introduce you to my town, and I would like to start with one of the most monumental buildings that we can offer to the tourists that are coming to visit Lucca. Behind me, you can see the ancient Wall of Lucca, founded in the 16th centuries, and the local town spent more than 180 years to found it. It's one of the most incredible places to visit in my town because it surrounds the town for roughly 3 miles without any interruption. And it's not just a fortress. Nowadays, we can consider this wall and the fields all around like the biggest roof garden that you can find in Europe, not just in Italy. Because on the top, we have a very wide streets, and as you can see, also trees. It's the most romantic and livable place in Lucca, and you can follow us to discover the town of Lucca, so that you will discover a very untouched town in Tuscany.